In this video, we are going to install UIkit. So double click on the downloaded file. You may drag and drop the projects to your computer. And now there are two ways of installing things in RapidWeaver. You can double click in the icons or drag and drop to the RapidWeaver icon in the dock. Let's drag and drop. Like so. And click on install. It will prompt me that I have already this file is installed. You can click continue. Wait for a few seconds. And relaunch RapidWeaver. And that's all. Enjoy UIkit. See you in the next video.